Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are unboxing the Ipsy Plus for the month of September. I want to welcome anybody who is new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. And for all my return subscribers, you guys know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. Look at these fall colored shades, perfect. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. If you look in the description box under current giveaways, it'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter this as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know to enter this one. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Sydney Grace Temptalia Quintessence palette in the version light, and it's mainly the green shades going on right now. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription. It's mainly makeup, skincare. They have 3 different levels. They do have their glam bag, which is 5 deluxe size items. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size for you, and that's for $13. They also have their plus, which is what this is. And I believe starting next month, they're raising the price on this. So it was 5 full-size items for $25. Now it'll be 5 full-size items for $28. And then they have their X. And I just did a video, so make sure to check it out for spoiling for you guys who the Ipsy X for November is going to be in collaboration with, which celebrity, and some of the products that are going to be featured. So make sure to check that out. I'll leave a link for that video in the description box down below as well. If you are interested in checking out Ipsy, I do have a code for them. It saves you a little bit of money and it helps me out in any future add-ons that I want to do. The code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. So if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. I haven't even opened this bad boy up yet. All the products come in this drawstring type bag. So what Ipsy says about this is boring designs as if, with the fall-friendly tones in a 90s inspired plaid print. The September glam bag will have you toting your product's BFFs in style. Remember, we're giving away one of these items to one of you. It does say on their little card, work, school, life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting, or wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. So the first item in here is from Laura Geller. It is the Bake, Balance, and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation in Porcelain. It does retail for $34. So remember, all these products are full size. Think of it as a color correcting foundation. The cream formula brightens and balances pale skin with rosy undertones while providing buildable and long-lasting coverage. How to use: apply all over your face using a foundation brush. Packaging looks like this. It does have kind of 2 mirrors here, one of more magnetizing, one regular. And then here is what the product looks like. You can kind of see. Come on. I don't know if the lights can work here, but there is some pink tones in there. It's not the product I normally like for my foundation. I like more of a liquid type foundation because I do have more of that drier skin. So this one will either be saved for a future giveaway or today's giveaway. From Neogen Dermatology is a clear soothing foam cleanser, retails for $19. This cleanser is packed with acne fighting ingredients like salicylic acid and tea tree oil and Centella Aesthetica extract to help target breakouts by removing excess oils, eliminating dirt and bacteria, and calming redness and irritation. Now, for those of you with dry skin, a foaming cleanser will strip all of your natural oils and make your skin more dry. Foaming cleansers are great for neutral or oily toned skin types. So can't use that. That's another one that'll go in today's or future giveaway. Here we have another Laura Geller product. It is the Baked Blush and Brighten Marbleized Blush in Tropical Hues. It does retail for $28. And then here is what this one looks like. Looks like this. I don't really have anything that's this dark. Let's just do a little, what do I have here for a blush brush that I can use? And I already have blush on, so I'm just kind of adding to what I already had. See if I can put a little bit on the back of my hand. Wow, it's like, I mean, I can see more of a luminosity with it, but as far as a blush tone, I mean, I tried building that up multiple times with a brush and my finger and nothing, so I am kind of disappointed in that. From Best Face Forward is a probiotic blue light protective cream. Does retail for $35. All your skin BFFs are here with spirulina to help strengthen the skin barrier, beta carotene to protect against UV damage from blue light, also known as your cell phone, tablet, and computer, and probiotics to soothe and hydrate. And here's what the inner packaging looks like. I don't notice any scent with it. It looks like that on the skin. I mean, it almost rubs down to almost like a water consistency. So there's that to try. From $19.99 is Precision Color Pencil Duo in Lustra and Banna. Does retail for $42 for a combination of the two pencils. These champagne and chocolate brow pencils do more than just line your eyes. The creamy blendable formula can be used on all skin tones to create a soft highlight and contour on your cheeks, nose, eyes, and jawline too. I have so many brow products right now. Let's do this as our giveaway, so I don't want to unseal it or anything. You can see the picture of it in here now. So what did you guys think? I mean, I was kind of disappointed with the box. There really isn't a whole lot that I can even use besides this, and then I'm giving away the pencils to you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. You can follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. You can follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. When you can share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. Secret word pencil. So how I work my giveaways is I have a Google form in the description box down below. Fill it out. Only fill it out once. If you do those bonus entries, make sure you do so, because I do check. Let's have this giveaway go through October 15th at midnight Mountain Standard Time. On October 21st, I will take the people who have entered their first name as well as first initial of their last name, put it into our little spin the wheel, and that will pick the winners. I don't pick them. I just checked that everybody's done what they are supposed to be doing. And on that Google form, make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and that secret word. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me to give back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those, because I want you guys to know when I upload. And I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here. I try and do giveaways from each of the unboxings. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I would greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.